So today I got my boy Ant here. We're gonna do a quick oil change on the WRX, like I said before, and then we've got his WRX parked outside, and his is a much cooler WRX than mine. So we're gonna take a look at that today, do a fucking drive around, and have some fun. Cool. We'll be back in a little bit.
Oh, dude, it just stinks. It's so old. Bro, it's like tar. Oh, I looked inside of it. Bro, tell me, he even filled this up with oil. Bro. Bro, that's just wrong. On so many levels, it's just wrong.
I've got a lot more money to spend than you guys.
No, you know, I'm spending, I have
You see that, Jay? Fuck your car.
Then another.
So let's take while this is cool enough, let's take a quick look at Ant's fucking WRX. So I'm here in Ant's WRX. It's a 2015 WRX. What else? He's had it for about 3 years or so now, and it's come a long way. So I remember Ant's car when he first got it. It was the slowest out of the bunch of us. Now that it's my car with the stock WRX, and that's Ant. If you can, there it goes. But I've got the slowest car now with my stock WRX. His is quite worked now. He's got it's a full bolt-on FA motor, pro-tuned from JR at Prime Motorsports in East Rutherford. It's got an ETS front mount intercooler, Cadillac CTSV front brakes, full 3-inch turbo back. You could probably hear that a little bit, well, probably a lot. This thing is insane. Let me throw a clip of that in here now. So, Ant takes just as good care as the outside as he did on the engine and all that stuff. So he's got the carbon fiber duck bill in the rear, looks sick, and on the front end of his car he's got the carbon fiber hood as well, along with the carbon fiber grille and splitter on the bottom. So let me give you a quick look at this car real quick so you can check it out. So under the hood, he's got a few parts that he messed with himself. You've got your alternator cover, battery covers, and all that stuff he painted himself. In the rear here, he's got his Perrin pitch stop mount.
The fucking ECU.
He's got the IAG air oil separator. And from what I hear from him, it was a bitch to install.
Yeah. Absolute pain in the ass.
What else you got, Ant?
EPS front mount, Yoshimoto rad.
Yeah. Ow. Burn your fingers on a hot radiator.
I've got, I think it's torque solution, solid motor mounts, torque solution, solid trans. I can't talk today. I mean, other than that, it's just everything up front is full bolt-on, Z85, stock block, stock trans.
Nice. So, let's do the oil change on the WRX behind us, my piece of shit, and then we will go for a drive in Ant's piece of shit. And this is Jalen's piece of shit.
Big piece of shit.
And another big piece of shit over there too.
See, it was nice
this
until we
piece of
took
shit
out
in it.
the S. Bro, I've never seen, like, bro, that came off the Titanic.
Bro, do you even take care of your motors? Jalen's a dirtbag, if you haven't realized.
Gang, gang, gang.
Welcome back.
Gang, gang.
No, got that Subaru juice right here.
Subaru special double oil change, double oil filter.
Today was another somewhat of a fail, but I do have a few clips of Ant's car in action that I'll post now. And as always, if you've gotten this far, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm going to continue to document me working on my cars and hanging out with some of my friends. But like I said, I appreciate it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video if you enjoyed the video. And thanks again, guys. Good night.